Good morning all. In this video we will discuss the way to dynamically read sheet name in read range activity. So in read range activity the sheet name is mandatory. Consider you are reading some Excel document which the sheet name is dynamically supposed to dynamically coming. Example, you are pulling sheet from somewhere external sources. You don't know exactly what the sheet name it is coming. So in this scenario, how to handle in UiPath, we will discuss it now. I have opened UiPath solution and created a demo sequence. So temporary for testing I have created this Excel sheet which has 4 sheets, sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3, sheet 4. I have created each sheet with a data table with 2 columns, serial number and name. Sheet 1 has all the names I updated as sheet 1, and sheet 2 is sheet 2, 3 and 4. Consider this type of Excel document you are getting from some external sources, and your UiPath application supposed to read all the read or convert this data table sheet into data table. Okay, so here how to this is sheet 1, sheet 2, sheet 3 because it may have name also, name Jack, Martin or Lincoln. So how to handle this scenario in UiPath? I am closing this sheet. So in sequence, first we need to drag and drop the Excel application scope activity. Excel application scope, I am choosing the path to my Excel sheet, dynamic sheet. So this is ready. Next what I am going to do, I am going to drag and drop the read range activity. Read range activity, here the sheet name is by default it's sheet 1, but consider, take an example, the exact sheet name you may not know in earlier. So what you need to do, I am drag and dropping read range activity. Here the by default it's a sheet name 1. Consider you don't know the exact sheet name in exact sheet name. So how to handle this type of scenario? This is the Excel application scope activity. I am going to create a variable for this workbook. I am pressing Ctrl K, my workbook. Sorry, it should be, I am deleting it and I am creating the variable as my workbook. Ctrl K, my workbook, pressing enter. The variable has been created. It's the sequence also okay. It can be accessible entire sequence. So okay, here what you need to do, this workbook has the provision to access all the sheet name. So my workbook get sheet, we have a functions called get sheet. You can access based on the position 0, 1, 2, 3. It will return the collection also. You can loop through the collection using for loop. You can access that way also. As of now I am directly accessing using the position. Example, I am accessing the second sheet, so the index will be 1. Okay, so the output, I am creating a variable Ctrl K. Output, I am creating a new variable using Ctrl K, my data table. I am naming it as my data table. Here the table is coming and changing to the entire sequence. Now that's it, my program has been completed. I am creating some message box at the end of my sequence. Process completed. So I am going to run my sequence. Let's see what will happen. Process get completed, which means our sequence is working fine. it's able to read the data in the second position. So the index will be 1. So I'm going to run the same in debug mode to verify my output. Debug. So my data table has been created. So let's see the output here. So sheet 2, serial number sheet 2, both is coming. So the value, it's the sheet name is able to read it dynamically using get sheet function.